A deeply divided Supreme Court has voted not to block the new Texas law banning most abortions. That's the most restrictive in the country. Rachel Scott is in Austin, Texas with the latest. Good morning, Rachel.
George, good morning. The Supreme Court was deeply divided on this, but the conservative majority on the bench has decided to allow the most restrictive abortion law in the nation to stand. For now, most women in the nation's second largest state will be stripped of the right to an abortion.
Overnight, a bitterly divided Supreme Court breaking its silence and a 5-4 decision refusing to block a new Texas law that bans nearly all abortions in the state. Chief Justice John Roberts breaking from the conservative majority on the bench, joining the liberal justices in dissenting the move, calling the Texas law not only unusual, but unprecedented. Across the state, protesters called on the high court to step in and stop the ban. But in an unsigned opinion, the conservative majority said the abortion providers who challenged the law did not address complex and novel procedural questions. And so as of today in Texas, the law stands. A physician may not perform an abortion if a fetal heartbeat is detected, which could be as early as 6 weeks into a pregnancy and before some women even know they are pregnant. And there are no exceptions for rape or incest, only for medical emergencies. Justice Sonia Sotomayor, writing in her dissent, the court order is stunning. Writing presented with a flagrantly unconstitutional law engineered to prohibit women from exercising their constitutional rights, a majority of justices have opted to bury their heads in the sand.
And the court's conservative majority made it clear that they are not weighing in on whether the Texas law is constitutional. And George, they are leaving the door open for other legal challenges.
That's going to be a while yet. In the meantime, we know other states are going to look at passing laws like the Texas law.
Exactly, George, and that is the concern from a lot of advocates that we talk to. They are worried that many states will look at what happened here in Texas and use that as a blueprint and as a model. Now, Roe versus Wade, that landmark decision, has not been formally overturned. The Supreme Court will take up a case to decide its fate in the fall, but now it has the real possibility of being reversed, George.
Rachel Scott, thanks very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.